Ngiyasaba boss angeke ngehlise. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. My heart is beating so fast. I'm so scared, guys. Don't wanna lie. But anyways, big girl things. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. Welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me, igama lami nguSinenhlanhla wakabiyela intombi yomZulu ndaba esitha umenziwa unJessica Qhoko umvundlana sokhabeni umbengo usinda abasonda ngazimaha sobethi igazi njangasi intombi yasekhosini. That's me. Guys, I'm so happy that I started this channel, but then I'm so scared. When I tell you that this thing took me 3 years, I was contemplating for a whole 3 years to start this channel. But anyways, I think this is going to be the longest video on my channel simply because I'm not quite good with the editing styles and skills. I still have to learn those stuff. Yeah, I don't quite know how to edit, but my videos are going to be a maximum of 15 minutes long, and this is going to be a moving vlog. We are going back to a race. I'm taking this intro a bit early simply because I want to motivate myself to start this channel. Anyways guys, I do hope that you enjoy the content I'm going to serve on this channel. Yeah, and guys, but yeah, I do hope that you guys enjoy the video enough to like, comment, and to subscribe to the channel, and to also share to your friends and your friends and your friends. Yeah. I do hope that you enjoy the vlog. Good morning in the mornings. I wake up. Fugan. Guys, good morning guys. I hope everyone's good. It is officially moving day and I'm not excited. Don't be fooled by my smile. I'm not excited. I just don't like leaving home, guys, because it's so sad. Like seeing my brother cry, and he cries all the time. And the thoughts of this young without seeing them, like it hurts. But it's officially moving day. The time right now is 7 o'clock, and I am about to leave. No, I'm actually gonna leave at 7:40 because my appointment is at 8. I'm going to do my hair light and not a design. I'm going to do my hair like not a designer. So yeah, my bus leaves at 10, so I still have like some time. I have like quite some time to actually prep. Guys, I came back a few hours ago from doing my hair, and all I can say is that Aki happy. I'm not happy, but right guys, sorry, given that my text this is my outfit for the night. I am gonna be wearing this top from Mr. Price, these leggings from Mr. Price, and I'm also using then I'm gonna carry my suitcase in this car. Yeah guys, this is my outfit, and I know my mom is gonna tell me to party jacket outfit because the jacket I have is pink, but it's fine, we're gonna do that. Let us go guys. It's currently 1:30 a.m. We're at Montrose. I'm for you fasty. What are we getting? Hey guys. Yeah guys, I'm just happy. Hey guys, I'm going to value video. I'm going to come to Sola. What comes to her?
Dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody, yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah.
I have finally arrived and this is my room. Yo guys, I'm tired. I need to go fetch my stuff at my previous race, then settle in properly. Sawulandito zethu. Isivini cabanga usuphethe imithwalo. Oh my gosh. Watholakala ema-race ningekho. Akho msindo eclass. Guys, nangihlala kuleya block. Nangihlala kuleya block. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm sweating. Oh. Look at all the stuff I went to fetch. Sorry guys, I couldn't find a duvet cover, a single, so I opted for a 3/4, and I don't even know how it looks like on the single bed. We have come to the end of this video, guys. I'm tired. I had a long day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe, and to share the link with your friends. I love you guys. Peace. Bye.